Welcome to this video on Kansai International Airport, Japan's offshore aviation hub. This incredible feat of engineering sits on a man-made island in Osaka Bay. Noise complaints and mountains limited the expansion of the existing Osaka airport. The city required a 24-hour facility to keep up with global demands. Planners chose Osaka Bay for its offshore location, 38 kilometers southwest of Osaka Station. The major challenge was the soft Holocene clay seabed, 20 meters deep beneath 18 meters of water. Engineers moved 180 million cubic meters of earth, excavating 3 mountains for dirt. They placed 48,000 tetrapods for the seawall and installed 1 million sand drains to dry the clay. The heavy island caused the ground to sink 8.2 meters by 1999. Crews inserted thick metal plates under columns to manage the compression of the seabed. Renzo Piano designed the 1.7-kilometer terminal building. Its roof mimics an airplane wing, and giant ducts blow air upwards, assisting with airflow. The structure features special sliding joints to protect against seismic activity. This allowed the terminal to survive the 1995 Great Hanshin earthquake unscathed. It also survived a super typhoon in 1998, though Typhoon Jebi in 2018 flooded the runways before being quickly repaired. Terminal 1 caters to full-service airlines, offering premium global service with glass jet bridges. Terminal 2 supports low-cost carriers, reducing operating costs with a single-story design. The airport welcomes passengers with elements of Japanese culture, including Nintendo check-in points. Nintendo Switch games and Mario statues entertain guests and offer photo opportunities. The Skygate Bridge R spans 3,750 meters, connecting the mainland to the island. Cars drive on the upper deck, and trains run on the lower deck. Major airlines operate international hubs here, connecting passengers globally. The 24-hour operation means the airport never closes. Peach, Japan's first international budget airline, is headquartered at Kansai. This helps passengers save money on flights. FedEx operates its North Pacific hub here. The airport moves massive international cargo, handling 757,256 tons of freight annually, with night flights maximizing global supply chains. Kansai International Airport is the ultimate gateway, combining offshore engineering, 24/7 operations, and global connectivity. Its location solved noise pollution and permitted round-the-clock flights, generating massive economic success. The island connects Japan to the world, with flights arriving every hour of the day. Kansai International Airport awaits your arrival.